kine khodi. This is the place where we walk, talk, build and show the code, either with magnetic puzzles or on Excel. Let's start with the basic steps to binary coding. I call it the pixel coding. First, we're going to show you how to copy a picture and how to read a grid to show you basically how a GPS works. I click on the blue, go and find the color blue on top. I put it in the same space and I color it in. There's 1, 2, 3 spaces open and then another blue. 1, 2, 3 spaces open and I go and find another blue. Then I have a green. 1, 2, 3 spaces open, green. 1, 2, 3 spaces open and the green. So let's go and find the green. For my smile, it is in 5, B5. It's a red. So I go to B5 and I put in a red. The same, 3 spaces open and another red. 1, 2, 3 open and another red. The bottom, 2 spaces open, 3 red, 2 open. So I can go and do my 3 red and I have another one open. That is how you can copy the face. When you have to read the grid, there are 7 spaces open, so I leave 7 spaces open. I have 1 space open, 1 blue, 1 space open, 1 blue. Now I have 3 spaces open and then another blue. 1, 2, 3 spaces open and I add another blue. Third line, I have 3 spaces open, 1 green. 1, 2, 3 spaces open and I put in a green. Fourth line, I have 7 spaces open. Fifth line, 1 open, 1 red. 1 open, 1 red. 3 open and another red. Sixth line, I have 2 open, 3 red, 2 open. 2 open, 3 red and 2 open. And voila, that is my reading of the grid. The next part I will show you how to do puzzle coding, how to use the correct coding symbols, how to decompose a problem, and how to do debugging if you found a problem and how to make a solution. The coding part is quite easy. To connect the codes, you click on a block. On your keyboard you press Ctrl and D, you'll see there's a second one, and then you can just move it up to the first part. So you always have a move block and a direction block, and you tell me how many steps you need to go. So every time that you do that, you can click on Ctrl D on your screen. Now let's see what is happening here. On the side you get a lesson with all the steps that you have to go through. But then I also give you the road that you have to code. So let's for now just make that part a little bit smaller and move the road up where you can see exactly what I'm talking about. So to start, you have to go from there. We are busy with the fire brigade. So you go down 1 step, turn, and you have to follow the yellow road. So let's see. If you go down 1 step, so remember Ctrl and D, and you take your arrow, Ctrl D, move it down, and you move 1 step down. So you have to take in a number 1, and you connect it there. But what is wrong? My arrow is looking in the wrong direction. So on this small circle on top handle, you just turn it until it faces down. So now I've went down 1 step. I have to make a turn to the left to get to the second step. So I find the move, Ctrl D, and I go out there. I choose between the 2 arrows, which direction I have to go. Ctrl D, and remember, on the handle, turn it in the direction that it should be, and you find another number 1, because a turn is always just one step because it's 90 degrees. So you move down, you turn. So now you have to move forward another step. So Control D, and down, and arrow. Turn your arrow in the correct direction. And how many steps do we go? It's again just one step in the beginning. Later on it will get more difficult as you will get to 3 and 4 and 5 steps. And this is how you will go on until you complete this whole program up to the finish point. On the second button there, you will find the answers to check your program. That is as easy as pie. Just Control D and move it and turn it until it all fits.